Staff writer from the Public Defender's Office is present, although she's not been appointed on this case yet. So this is time set for a first appearance and arraignment in the case. Let's see, so Mr. Ashdown was arrested and he was released on the bail and directed to appear by the jail on April 8th. We weren't available on April 8th. We had some other matters. I don't remember exactly what was there. And so we pushed the matter to today's date, and we sent a copy to Mr. Ashdown and to the district attorney's office, and he is not here. I'm not super inclined to issue a bench warrant in the case because of the date the jail gave us different than what we have here. And in case that it didn't get to him with the way we've been having stuff with the mail, although it's been 20 days for it to get there for him. I would hate for him to be planning to appear on the 8th and then get bench warranted because we rescheduled the matter. But I'm not married to that notion by any means. The state is present, but I didn't say that earlier. State, have any thoughts?
Your Honor, the state would request a bench warrant. In this case, Mr. Ashdown made statements upon his arrest that had it been warmer that day, cops would never have found him. That sounds like an intent to flee. Mr. Ashdown was not here, evidence of flight. I understand the court saying that there's different dates. He's not here. The state can definitely see that he has an intent to not comply with this court's orders based on his statement to law enforcement in Utah when he was arrested, and the living situation that was discovered in Utah with him and his daughter.
Do you know if he's appeared for his upstairs cases? He has?
Yes.
Okay. That to me suggests.
Let me see what day this was. The order was issued the 14th. I think that the 13th.
Okay. Was there anything else you want to put on the record about contact or any issues, or since he's not here, you just want to hold off on that?
Well, the state would request the court issue a no contact order based on the order in the district court case CV 22, where Ms. has been issued temporary physical custody of the daughter.
Okay, so here's what I think we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and we're not going to issue the bench warrant today. We'll see what happens on the 8th in case he happens to show up on that date. If he doesn't, then I will bench warrant him on that day. I will go ahead and modify the terms and conditions of the release to put the no contact order in, and that way we will mail that to him as well.
And I do have a certified copy of that order if the court would want one.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and take it.
I
Then I can
think
track their language.
based on what's been filed, is it 3, exhibit 3? That's just what I wasn't sure about. I have it marked, but I don't have the number on it. I think we're on 3.
Let's look and see. I have 1, I have 2, yeah, so that can be 3. So we'll go ahead and make that part of the record as well. It'll help me track some of the language if I need, rather than trying to scribble it down here. And like I said, if he doesn't show up on Monday, we'll have a bench warrant prepared to be issued on that date as well.
Next, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the 8th.
Right.
Anything else on this case?
No.
Okay, so we'll be in recess on that one and see what happens come the 8th. And I don't remember if I said it or if I just thought about it. Part of the reason for that, if he's been appearing for district court, it suggests there's not necessarily an intention to flee, although it's not positively disproven yet one way or the other. So we'll go ahead and recess on that one.